In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Google Forms. This is a great way to automate tasks and streamline your workflows by integrating Google's form functionality with a wide array of applications. Whether you're capturing leads or gathering survey responses, this process can save you valuable time and effort. To get started, open up Zapier and navigate to the dashboard. Once there, look for the option to create a new Zap. This is essentially where our automation process will begin. In Zapier terminology, a Zap is a workflow consisting of a series of actions that happen automatically once triggered. After clicking on New Zap, your next step is to set up the trigger. The trigger is essentially what initiates the workflow. Click on the Trigger section to specify what exactly will start this Zap. You're then prompted to choose an app that will act as the trigger. In this case, you'll need to type in Google Forms in the search bar. As you start typing, you should see Google Forms appear in the drop-down menu. Click on it to select it as your trigger application. After selecting Google Forms, it's time to specify the event that will serve as your trigger. Click on Choose an Event, and here Any can be used as a placeholder in our demonstration. This will allow you to react to any form entry. After selecting the type of event that works for you, click on Connect Google Forms. This step involves linking your Google account to Zapier, which will authorize Zapier to access your form data. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Simply click on your account from the list to proceed. Once you've selected your account, Zapier will ask for your authorization to connect with Google Forms. Click on Continue to proceed after reviewing the permissions requested. This authorizes Zapier to fetch the data it needs to automate your workflow. Next, you'll arrive at the configuration phase. You'll see an option to continue, prompting you to select or specify more details. Click Continue again to move into configuration settings, where you'll choose specific form fields or values if necessary. Choose any value for our walkthrough setup and continue moving forward. Once those selections are finalized, the next step is crucial, testing the trigger. This ensures everything is correctly set up before you proceed to the action phase of your Zap. Click on Test Trigger to verify that the connection is properly working and that Zapier can fetch data from Google Forms accurately. This step is a last-minute check to make sure that no issues pop up unexpectedly. Upon successful testing, you'll have connected Google Forms with the ability to integrate seamlessly into automated workflows through Zapier, completing our setup for an efficient and effective automation. Remember, with Zapier and Google Forms working together, your task management can become remarkably fluid, freeing up more time for you to focus on growing and enhancing your projects.